Bass TV here. I'm Dalton Tobby.
I'm Ed Welsh.
We're about to do some kayak bass fishing.
Oh, there's one. Oh, dude, it's a good size. Oh my God. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Oh. I got mine in my bag. Oh my God, dude, it's shallow. Up here, shallow. Oh my God. Yeah, yeah, tell me about it. Dude. Woo. First fish today, boys. Oh yeah. And I got it on the GoPro. Dude, up shallow, I'm telling you. Yeah. That thing's a tank. Yeah. Because mine's in my bag. Personal best is 7. It ain't beating 7, but dude, that is a tank. Oh my God, I gotta get a picture of this bad boy. Look at that belly, dude. We're shallow. Dude, they're not hitting hard. Chatterbait, my very first chatterbait fish. Yeah. Alright, how does this thing work? Oh my God, dude, that thing's a tank. Black and blue with a white crawler. Oh my God, Ed, I can't get this thing out. Oh, I about lost her. Yes, sir. I guess I should probably... $4.10.
On the board, boys. Kayak Bass TV.
Finally. Hey, you want to take my picture? Don't drop my phone. Oh fuck. Yeah? Bro, we are really shallow, like... Here. I just pushed off. Oh, the fish is underneath me. Oh, yeah! Put this one on Tactical Bass TV, boys. Good. She's spawning, too. Look at how red her tail is. Alright, I'm gonna put her back. Shallow. Go on home, baby girl. Woo! Hell yeah. Bro, she did not hit hard at all. I told you. That's exactly where I was, just a little bit back farther. I'm gonna switch over to this jig, or the crawl with the Texas rigged crawl. I think they want it slow, honestly. Hey, both of us got a fish today. Good and chunky. Oh, I got one. We're doubled up. Woo! Stay pinned, boys. Stay pinned. Oh my God, look at how, huh? I am. Look at how, hey, look at how white this fish is. One, boys. One at this place. I'm putting him back. Hey, first double.